Hello, I'm Tony Bryant. This is my wife, Tracy Bryant, and we are building a new home named Finley.
The best part I've enjoyed building our new home with Shaw Homes is the design studio with Shelley.
And I get to get a sprinkler system, finally.
We have found, and compared with other builders, that Shaw Homes are hands-on from the top on down, just quality type people.
Yes, and they feel family oriented, and they were one-on-one with us, and we enjoyed that.
Yeah.
If I knew someone who was going to build a home, I'd first do your homework. Find a builder that has a reputable reputation and go with Shaw Homes. They treat us like kings and queens from the beginning. We are very pleased. Thank you, Shaw Homes.